Welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Learning Never Ends. In my previous videos, I have discussed the gravitation chapter number 10 of class 9, whose topic was universal law of gravitation and free fall and the derivation of acceleration due to gravity. These videos links are already in the description box. Now in this video I will discuss what do you mean by mass and what do you mean by weight and what are the difference between the mass and weight and their description, right? So let's start. So according to the definition of mass of an object is the measure of its all components. Means there is an if there is an object, then it should have atoms. So all the combination of protons, neutrons and electrons and all the components composition combine together to form a mass. So mass of an object is the measure of its all components. So it is denoted by small m. Now weight is different from the mass. It is a force by which earth attracts the body. As you already know that our earth attracts every body which has a certain mass. So this is a force by which earth attracts the body. So it is denoted by W, or you can say F, right? So their expression will be W is equal to mass into acceleration, because force is equal to mass into acceleration and weight is the force. So it is the formula, that is weight is equal to mass into acceleration. Here m is the mass of an object and a is the acceleration due to gravity. It means we can convert this a into g, right? So their value is 9.8 meter per second square for the earth, right? So W is equal to mg, and it is a force, so its unit will be of force. So the unit of force is Newton. So that's why the unit of weight is also Newton, or you can say kg for your reference, right? So the expression will be W or F is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity, that is mg, and their unit is Newton. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.